Ukrainian military is reaching out to drone operators to help repel Russian forces. Hello, and welcome to this Do You Know Drone special report. My name is Jason Sansusi. Before Russia invaded Ukraine, Denys Sushko, head of operations at DroneUA, a Kyiv-based system integrator of uncrewed solutions and robotics, was selling consumer drones and providing inspection and monitoring services to farmers, security services, and energy companies. For many years now, the Ukrainian community of drone operators and manufacturers have made massive strides, both on the amateur and professional levels. Now the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense has asked this community to step up and help monitor the invading Russian army. I had a chance to catch up with Denys, who is now in a secure location, about this story via WhatsApp. I asked Denys how his group responded to this February 24th Ukrainian Ministry of Defense Facebook post. They've been working with these forces well before the first explosion, so they did not hesitate to help. They handed all the equipment from their warehouses, and they took an active role in piloting in these missions. They repair and maintain drones around the clock, and they provide best practices for piloting in war conditions. My next question had to do with the main drone use cases during this conflict. According to Denys, the main use cases were aerial reconnaissance, documentation of war crimes, searching for marks left by saboteurs, fire adjustment, and search and rescue. They distribute equipment to those who need it the most, bringing them closer to victory. For my final question, I asked Denys if he thought Ukraine will use ad hoc drone weaponry. To which Denys responded, he's sure that there's hobbyists out there that have already begun to convert their drones to carry and drop grenades. There are already similar proposals sent from hobbyists from other countries who are ready to share their experiences. According to Denys, after the victory, there will be a lot of work for drones. For example, building 3D models for investigations, damage assessment, and more. So I'm going to leave a few links down in the description where you can support this drone donation effort or help fund humanitarian efforts during this crisis. So I'll leave those down below, and if you found this information useful, then please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, share, and I will be sure to keep you updated as I hear more from Denys. Thank you so much for watching this Do You Know Drone special report, and have a great day. Bye now.